Our supplier day was to really showcase our suppliers' ingredients and solutions to different trends in the home care and industrial cleaning space. And this is really bringing our suppliers together with our customers and our technical experts for us to be able to showcase what we can do as a distributor. Our customers will see a lot of the equipment, whether it's washers, dryers, turgetometers, but really what sets us apart are those innovation scientists, those lab managers doing the formulation support for our customers.
Traditionally, distributors like Univar Solutions have been relied upon for their logistics expertise. But what is even more pertinent today is the value add from things like technical service, solutions development of formulations, and really matching their suppliers and customer partners together. Very happy to be invited here by Univar Solutions. They pulled together a great group like Dow, Solvay, Novozymes. I learned an awful lot about the performance of enzymes in laundry, the availability of low dioxane technology and ether sulfates, and anti-redeposition agent. A lot of ground was covered, a lot of fun.